Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So let's just first launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner or more icon, then click here to the settings and tap to the voice section, then tap to the voice match, and to activate Hey Google click only once on the switcher, and after that tap here to the next, read the description and click yes I agree, then tap to continue. And now we should add our voice model. Click here to retain voice model and say OK Google. Once again, OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. And after that tap here to finish, and now when we'll say Hey Google, OK Google, we can see that the assistant successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.